Hey, what's up? And welcome to Yoga with Rachel. Today we have a study break workout that will leave you feeling energized, refocused, and ready to dive right back into your studies. All right, let's get moving. Let's begin our study break workout with some gentle movement. First thing first, walk your feet so that way they're underneath your hips or a little bit wider. And now let's draw some circles with our nose. Nice and slow. So that way we can really feel the sensations in our neck. And then reverse that circle. Beautiful. Bring your head back over your heart space. Let's loop our shoulders, drawing the shoulders up towards the ears, back, and then down. So a few more times. Just creating some space between the ears and the shoulders, as the shoulders may creep on up towards the ears, especially if we've been studying for a long period of time. Wonderful. And then you can shake that off. Let's draw some circles with our arms. So hands go to the sky, back and around. Wonderful. Keep this action going. And then the other way. Great, and then hands come back to the sides. Swim your hands back and behind you, interlace your fingers, and then draw your hands towards the earth and then away from your body, getting a nice stretch in the chest area, in our pecs, which can feel really yummy, especially if we've been at the computer for a long period of time. It can really help counteract the rounding that may take place in our shoulders. Breathe in through your nose, and then breathe out through the nose or the mouth. Breathe in, and then breathe out to break free, sending the hands out in front. And now let's keep our hands out in front. You can imagine that you're about to give someone some high fives. Spread through your fingers, flex the fingers towards the face to really feel a great stretch in the wrists as well as in the forearms. So this can feel really great if you've been typing or writing down your study notes. And now let's turn those fingers down towards the ground, taking some zombie arms. You can think Michael Jackson Thriller here. And then we shake that off. Step your right foot back and behind you, planting the full foot on the earth. And our toes are pointing forward as best as possible. Keep a small micro bend in your left knee. Perhaps you're feeling a nice stretch in the calf and maybe in the Achilles. Great. Right foot joins the left, and then step the left foot back and behind. Same dance, just on the other side. Wonderful. Left foot joins the right. On our next breath in, let's send our hands up and overhead. Fingertips come together. Exhale, floating the hands back down to your sides. 2 more times. Breathe in. Maybe this time you look up towards the sky. Exhale, hands float back down. 1 more, breathe in and out. Breathe in to send the hands up and overhead. Exhale, forward fold with bent knees. So this can really help release a low back body. Fingertips can rest on the earth, or you can grab opposite elbows and find a gentle sway from side to side. Allow your head to release, the neck to release. Perhaps you can visualize tension just spilling off of the back body. Keeping that breath flowing, allowing the blood to flow in the opposite direction towards the brain. Wonderful. Find stillness. Release your fingertips to the earth. And now let's begin to slowly, as slow as you can go, roll up through the spine. And then eventually we are standing nice and tall. Let's get our heart rate up with some energizing movement. So the very first exercise that we will be doing are high knees. So you can place your hands out in front, either at waist level or a little bit higher. And now try to reach your right knee towards your right hand, back down, left knee towards left hand, back down. So let's keep this action going. You can go at your own pace, so feel free to pick up the tempo if you would like. But we are trying our best to keep our chest nice and lifted, so that way we can really feel a crunching sensation happening in our abs. And we're also strengthening those hip flexors as we do this. Wherever you are, we are here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in through your nose. And then breathe out through your nose or your mouth. All right, time for some jumping jacks. So taking up space as you do this. We are here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and out. All right, our next exercise is crossovers. So bring the right elbow towards the left knee and then left elbow towards right knee or thigh. So let's just keep this action going. And again, I extend this same invitation. Feel free to pick up the pace by adding a little hop or skip to this exercise, or you can keep it nice and chill. And we are here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and out. All right, we're gonna be jogging on the spot next, but we're gonna try our best to reach our heels towards our butte. Get the arms going in there as well. Ooh, we're gonna be feeling good after this one, huh? All right, we are here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew, let's breathe in and out. All right, for this one, let's imagine that we have a jump rope in our hand and we're gonna be skipping on the spot. So you can do some really cool skipping moves if you would like. Just for fun, you can turn around going in a circle. And we are here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo. On our next breath in, hands go up and overhead. Exhale, hands pull back down to your sides. Breathe in and out. One more time, breathe in and out. Great work. Let's cool it on down with a movement that will give us a boost in energy and also confidence. Let's begin by walking our feet wider than our hips. Let's find a small micro bend in our knees and our hands and arms rest at our sides. Let's twist our upper body towards the right and then over to the left. Right, left, right, left. And then once you have the hang of this, feel free to pick up the pace so you can go a little bit faster. You may notice that the arms begin to take up a little bit more space. Your hands may begin to gently tap your body. And then perhaps now we integrate the breath into the action. So we breathe in when we go to the right, exhale to the left. So move at a pace that feels most comfortable for you. So I personally like to do this action whenever I am feeling down or if I need a little bit more energy. It can really get the energy flowing and just help us feel good in general. All right, wherever you are, a few more rounds. And then let's begin to slow it down. Eventually, our arms rest at our sides. We walk our feet together, nice and together, same with the legs. Bring your hands together and then in front of your heart, bow your head, perhaps feeling a nice juicy stretch in the back of the neck. Let's breathe in through our nose and then sigh it out. Notice how you feel. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I really hope that you enjoyed the study break workout, that you are feeling energized, refocused, and ready to get back to some good old learning. Take good care, everyone. Namaste.